everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So at first break right now, got some things updated here on this box right here. But I went ahead and helped Steven out this morning with a shutdown, and also we added an MC for a dedicated home run to outlet receptacle box in one of the nurses' lounges kitchenettes. But anyways, went ahead over here and got all of these holes marked out over here. As you can see, I have all the centers marked out right here. So it's basically just measured off of the wall right here, 5 inches to the center of this line right here. And then I transferred that over 5 inches off the wall. And then I just, since these are the same vertically at the top, I went ahead and just transferred my numbers down 2 inches to center, 4 inches to center, 6 inches to center, 8 inches to center. So I just went 2, 4, 6, 8 down the wall, and then 5 inches off the back wall, and that gets me all my centers. And this isn't really focusing, but there you have all your marks right there. Then I went ahead also and leveled this one out. This pipe was a little bit short, so I had to cut that one a little bit longer. I'm still kind of getting used to these 2-piece connectors, so I went ahead and cut a longer piece, and that is also marked out right there, 3/4 inch right there, 1 1/8 hole, and then these ones over here, 1 inch hole with the 1 3/8 actual outer diameter, in case apprentice wants to cut that and don't want them cutting the wrong hole or anything like that. Can't really go back from that. Anyways, got all those ready to go. As you can see, I got all 4 of those lined up there. These are all good to go right here, with the pipes going right there, which is enough for the inner piece right there, because that's like a 1/2 inch or so. So those all screw in there, so those are all ready to go right there. Got the box remounted after I marked all my holes out. There's all my connectors, my 4 connectors on the left for these 4, and the 1 connector on the right for that guy right there. So I still have to figure out the straps off the wall, underneath the box and above the box. So other than that, pretty much done in here until we shut down and pull the wire and stuff like that. So the rest will be in the other room across the hallway. If I'm not sure if I'm not working on that the rest of the day, I'm gonna help Steven out. Steven do some more things in another part of the hospital, so stay tuned for that. All right, so for the rest of the day, me and Steven went up to the anesthesia storage room. I had to get all scrubbed up, which was the first time ever wearing scrubs. They weren't too bad, but they're a little scratchy for my sensitive skin. So anyways, we went ahead up to the room, and we had to adjust this cord drop. So the left one is black SO cord, the right one is the correct cord, which I forgot the name of because I've never used it before. So we went ahead and took that down, and this is what it looks like when we determined everything and took apart these cord drops. And so basically what we had to do was basically just take out the black SO cord and put in a new gray cord. Like I said, I forgot the label of it, but this is what it looks like. It's basically advanced Legos, which is kind of what being an electrician is like if you like Legos. It's pretty much similar, just more advanced. You have to go to school for it. You could possibly die. Other than that, it's pretty fun being an electrician. Anyways, moving forward, this is what it looks like. I was working on one end, Stephen was working on the other end. So this is what it looks like. We stripped it. Stephen was working on getting the ceiling part back together and tied together with the crimp connectors on the top and the dangly thingies. And then we both went ahead and worked on a receptacle thing, put up the receptacles back inside of the, I don't know any of these names. Anyways, we went ahead and put all the receptacles back inside of their little housings and remade that up. So this is what it looks like back when it was finished. Got the gray cords installed. And then this is what it looks like in action with the strain relief. Basically you pull it down and it lifts itself back up and all that good stuff. So thank you, Steven, for that short little video. Anyways, that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Help out the channel, and love to see you guys back in the next video. Anyways, this is the clown that parked next to me. So far over the line, I don't know what was going through this dude's head, but don't be like this guy. Nobody likes this guy. Anyways, thanks, guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.